Finally, my SSS Pension Booster has released the dividend interest. But wait, bakit kulang? So how do I rate SSS as an investment? Based on my experience for 2021, 2022, and 2023, for me, ang grade na ibibigay ko, it's a fail. There are 3 big problems that I see. First problem, lack of transparency. What is the real interest? Let us take as an example Pagibig. It's easy to see the interest rates. MP2, Pagibig publishes the dividend rate year on year. Regular savings? The same. What about SSS? I literally have to search multiple websites just to figure it out. Disorganized. SSS press release for 2021, GMA News for 2022, and Philstar article for 2023. I think, but not really sure. These are the interest rates, based on information I gathered from different websites. For the mandatory savings, and for the voluntary savings, trust is important for a financial institution, and lack of clear information does not promote trust, which we will see in problem number 2. No matter how I calculate, kulang yang interest na binigay. For 2021, SSS claims 6.39% interest. I received just over half of that, maybe 3.5%. Same story for 2022, supposedly 3.4% interest. What I received is only half. And for 2023, kulang pa rin. These investments are not big. Ilang daan lang ang pinag-uusapan. But if an institution fails for small amount, how can we trust them for big amount? SSS problem number 3. For the voluntary pension booster, the interest I received is still 0. I did a test in 2023 for voluntary savings. As of now, I still see 0 investment interest. Maybe timing issue. Pero to see is to believe. I need to see that it really works before I can recommend. So my personal grade for my SSS pension booster as of this time is a fail. What about you? Have you received the correct dividend from my SSS? I will share how you can check your investment. Log into member page. Enter your user ID and password. Click on Inquiry. Click on Contribution. The first table you will see is regular SSS contributions. Select Mandatory Pension Booster. You can choose the year. You can see the investment income in 2024. Scroll down below. SSS released the interest for the years 2021, 2022, 2023. Now for Voluntary Pension Booster, select the tab. I see no interest. I did several test contributions for research purposes. As of now, 0. What about you? What's in store for the future? I am happy with the announcement of SSS, that they will try to provide 7.2% interest for the year 2024. But SSS needs to earn my trust. For me, I will hold further investment in my SSS Pension Booster voluntary savings until I see real, correct, and timely interest. I hope you learned something useful. Click like and subscribe for more lifestyle and personal finance videos. Have a great day.